This text message template will work on Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install the template. Place template on the timeline. Here in the Edit tab, I have added a lot of controllers. Here you can edit left text box 1. Change message text here. You can change the font from here. Change delivered text and its position from here. Change sender name and time here. Change text colors from here. In this way, you can edit left and right text boxes 1 to 5. If you want to change text box position and its color, it can be changed from here. Scale and position animation from here. Trim the template like that to make animation speed faster or slower. That's it. Thanks for watching.